Dr. Bahizi Archibald yabigambira ha mukoro gwa cancer run ogwa Bahizi oberi omurfort poto ahachaye cha St Mary's Seminary Virika arukushobora ko burire obwa cancer nekizibu chamani munonga omuchange cha Rwenzori
manyisa ko kigekize bucamani munonga omu Rwenzori yitu eji ahituri abo kuba omuri barwire 10 abi turukureba buri zoba hacire omwe naba ayine butandu yo kugira ngo nabasa kuba ayine obonero obwa kansa ningashi ari kwija kugira obonero bwa kansa.
Dr. Bahizi nashobora ngo burwiro bwa kansa nube munonga aho kuba abantu naba batakukimanya kandi batezo mu marwaro baba bari mu stage mbi
no burwire bubi munonga kandi echibicha kansa no kugira ngo nechi rya mpora nichikurya mpora tokashasha aho kuza kurebera ubonero no warenjere tutachikuyama munonga kandi uburyo bwo mu stage yo kubonabona kandi hamwe no kufa.
Oguyayere ko Hariho cyetengo cyo kuteka umwanya ubwo kugema Kookoro umubyanga kiyambeho mu kurwanitse ndwareje.
I know after completing the Zambia issue, then we need to do regionalization so that we see that our total region has a cancer treatment unit. That's our cry. We've already established the cardiac clinic. We have a cardiologist. We have echo machine. We have the ECG machine. So we can solve most of the things now at the regional referral hospital. But we interestingly want to make sure that we have low cancer rates.
Orishaba Elizabeth omurwire yashobora abantu ebyaraberemu.
Side hand. Yeah, that tumor was not paining by that time. I did not mind because I was young. Later in 2016, that's when it started paining. I had not told my parents. Then when I told them, we started from Fort Portal Regional Referral, but they sent to Mulago to do a biopsy.
Oguyashaba abantu okworeka rukunda abantu abarwire nuko babase kurabo mu mbera yona.
Give you that drug, you feel like no, you're not going to make it anymore. You don't feel everything, you feel isolated. But if you continue encouraging them, be there for them, like that was treated, really, those people are going to cope up and are going to be healed.
President wa Rotary Club ya Fort Poto Nelson Tumuhise tinyefuza nashobora uko kwetabo mu kwiruka izoberi n'enshonga nkuru.
Twine obutumanyo rwire cancer obwino bwingi twiruka kugira ngo tuombeke wodi chonka, but we also run to create awareness. Itwenka Fort Poto ninga Rotary Club zono mu ihanga area Uganda tukashara mungu tugume twiruka cancer run to fight cancer, construct our cancer ward, but also how we bring cancer awareness.
And for entire kingdom and of course the nation at large. Through this, we know one time they will declare Uganda free of cancer. We have gone through a lot. Most of us, we have lost our relatives, our friends, because of cancer.
Senior Executive Consultant Owirare Kuru Area Fort Poto Dr. Bahizi Archibald Newton Sebahire yashaba abantu okwetantara ebintu ebyakubasa kubaletera oburwiro bwa cancer.
Otaro kugira ngo orese mpora, orese kace, ninga orese gumino oreka okuresa nichibi. Tichiriziwe. Kandi twasa kucetantara kora ngo cancer yaremo. Twasa kwetantara cancer twacendeza akunywa marwa. Hari habara kugira ngo tukabaho tukangira amarwa. Water kwasa kure amarwa timaru. Twankwana wasa water kwasa kugare onywe mache.
Okwiruka oku kwatandikira hari St Mary's Seminary Virika Playground kandi kwareta abantu batari bamwe na bamwe obo barukura bo myanya tarukushana mu kibuga cya Fort Poto. Gasha kwa Justin Nyakisiki Ahabw'Endwara.